I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Jeep Gladiator Freedom panels. Begin by parking on level ground, engaging the parking brake, and clearing debris from the roof rails. Gather a T20 Torx driver, plastic trim tool, soft cloth, and a small bin for screws. Start at one panel and work methodically to the next, keeping fasteners organized and protecting paint with the cloth. Move slowly to avoid damaging clips or seals. Ready to remove the next panel? Start by unlatching the front storage catches, then slide the panel rearward about an inch to disengage the clips. Support the panel with both hands and lift at a steady angle to clear the windshield frame. If foam gaskets stick, use a plastic trim tool to separate them gently. Label each screw location and store fasteners in a plastic bag to simplify reinstallation later. To reinstall panels, align the front tabs first and slide forward until you hear each clip click into place. Reinstall screws finger tight, then torque to a gentle hand setting to avoid stripping threads. Replace any worn foam seals or apply a small bead of silicone if water intrusion was present. Check for wind noise at a low speed and tighten only the suspect fasteners. Store panels in a padded cover to prevent scratches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.